Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of AI and Beyond, a Clovity podcast. I'm Alicia Siddhartha, and I'm really excited to kick off this series where we explore how AI and other technologies are driving innovation across various industries. If you are a part of the IT, DevOps, or project management, or AI community, or you're simply curious about how AI is shaping the future, then this podcast is for you. At Clovity, we are not just helping Fortune 500 companies. We're also deeply involved with public and federal sectors, bringing real solutions to big challenges through the power of AI, Atlassian tools, DevOps practices, and cloud technology. And today, we'll introduce these topics, setting the stage for our deeper dives in the future episodes. So, why should you listen? Well, if you're a business looking to streamline your operations, optimize workflows, or enhance public safety with smart tech, this podcast will give you the insights that you need to stay ahead of the curve. Let's start with Atlassian, a name you're probably already familiar with if you're in the world of project management or IT service management. Atlassian offers industry leading tools like Jira and Confluence and Jira Service Management that empower teams to collaborate better, delivering projects faster, and also streamlining their service management. But here's what really sets Atlassian apart: it's AI. Atlassian tools are becoming smarter, integrating Atlassian intelligence or AI to automate repetitive tasks and provide predictive insights that help teams stay ahead. Imagine Jira not just tracking tasks and predicting bottlenecks before they even occur, or Confluence becoming a dynamic knowledge base that surfaces relevant information based on your team's needs automatically. As an Atlassian Gold Solution partner, Clovity has a deep understanding of these tools, and we've been working closely with Fortune 500 companies as well as, like I mentioned before, federal and public sector to implement these solutions across IT and non IT departments alike. We've seen firsthand how Atlassian's AI driven capabilities are transforming workflows, cutting down on manual work, and letting teams focus on tasks that really matter. Stay tuned for our future episodes where we will be looking into specific use cases, including how public sector agencies are leveraging Atlassian to streamline their operations. Now, let's switch gears and talk DevOps, shall we? Which is all about breaking down silos between and operation teams to deliver software faster with higher quality. And guess what? Atlassian is a leader in this space too, with tools like Bitbucket, Bitbucket pipelines, driving continuous integration and continuous delivery, also known as CI/CD processes. Clovity, as an Atlassian Gold Solution partner, leverages these tools to create automated pipelines that helps teams deploy faster with fewer errors. But it doesn't stop there. We integrate AI into these processes to take DevOps onto the next level. AI analyzes code, predicts error, and optimizes deployments in real time, reducing bottlenecks and making sure your software is always a step ahead. We've seen this work in highly regulated industries and the public sector, where security and efficiency are paramount. Whether you're working on microservices or managing large scale enterprise software, AI powered DevOps tools from Atlassian can drastically reduce time to market. In future, we'll cover how specific industries like finance and healthcare are benefiting from DevOps automation, so make sure you stick around for that. Now, public safety is becoming more tech enabled, and one of the most exciting developments is the rise of smart poles. These aren't just your standard light poles, they are actually packed with sensors, cameras, and communication tech. At Clovity, we're combining AI with smart poles to improve public safety in real time. Here's how it actually works. The AI analyzes data from these sensors and detects patterns that indicate potential risks, whether it's traffic congestion or suspicious behavior, or environmental changes. This tech is already helping cities reduce crime and improve emergency response times. And it's scalable, making it a fantastic solution for both large cities and smaller communities. In future episodes, we'll explore case studies on how these smart poles are transforming urban safety. And honestly, it's one of my favorite technologies. Finally, let's talk cloud. Cloud solutions are the backbone of everything we've discussed so far, from Atlassian tools to AI driven public safety solutions. Cloud migration can be daunting, but it is absolutely essential for businesses looking to scale and innovate. At Clovity, we specialize in cloud migrations that use AI to optimize the process, whether it's identifying potential downtime or flagging security risks. AI helps ensure smooth transitions. Atlassian's cloud native tools like Jira or Confluence or Jira Service Management, they make it easy for teams to collaborate from anywhere. And with AI layered on top, you can expect faster and smarter workflows. Almost, it's automatic. We've helped organizations, both in the private and public sectors, migrate to the cloud while minimizing risk. In future episodes, I will be breaking down the steps to a successful cloud migration and share insights on how AI is making the cloud even more efficient. So, there you have it. Today, it was just a taste of what's to come on AI and beyond, a Clarity podcast. From Atlassian solutions to DevOps to smart tools and cloud technologies, we are here to guide you through the cutting edge of business and public sector innovation with AI as the driving force. So, thank you so much for tuning in into this introductory episode. In future episodes, we'll be diving deeper into each of these topics, sharing real world use cases, and giving you actionable insights into how to apply these to your business. If you want to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving environment of tech, so make sure to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn, and make sure to visit www.clovity.com for more information. I am Alicia Siddhartha, and this has been AI and Beyond, a Clovity podcast. Catch you in the next episode.